Utheru ni kimwe kia undu uria wagirirwo ni kuhimbirio na njira nene haaro-ini ya murimu wa COVID-19 kuria thirikari muthi Wagatatu kiumia giukite ikaruguria mubango wa utheru uria uguthii na mbere kwa ihinda ria thiku mirongo itatu. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta augite andu 26,148 niyo magukorwo makiandikwo mawira kuria namba ino itanyitwo kuongerereka ginyanagia andu 100,000 kuria andu aya magukorwo maumite icagi-ini 23 kaunti-ini 7 guku bururi-ini.
This is an initiative that will create jobs while making our environments healthier. The first phase of the National Hygiene Program for the next 30 days will employ some 26,148 workers and eventually grow to over 100,000 young people across the country. This added to the already existing 108,000 vulnerable households that are presently receiving direct cash grants and the 8 billion Kenya shillings that our senior citizen program and vulnerable families are getting, which I believe will continue to offer tangible relief.
Muthenya umwe fundi agutuma nguo 448 kuma icagi-ini 23 maritumaga turembeko twakanwa na maniuru 250 wira uria uguteithiriria hari ya Kenya rimwe na ucio hari kwimathira uboco wao muthenya undumwe na kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19.
To move in phases to ensure that those being employed work under proper health standards and protocols that will help us limit the rate of infection. Indeed, as we get better and more practiced at implementing work protocols, we will increase the amount and number of people employed.
Maya mokite uriri namba ya andu aria manyititwo ni murimu uyu yongererekete ginyanagia andu 343 guku bururi-ini kuria kwa ihinda riri namba ya andu aria morarite murimu uyu thi guthe ni 2,826,904 bururi wa Amerika ugitongoria na andu 905,333 andu 798,449 nio mahonete murimu uyu na wandu 197,871 nio makwite thi yothe kumana na murimu uyu.
In the next couple of weeks, I believe that we shall have billions of shillings that will be added through our own initiatives as well as our development partners, and these will be added to some of these initiatives that I have announced today to offer direct relief to Kenyans, and I want to thank each and every partner for their solidarity and willingness to listen and to respond to our proposals.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritora kwane Wajiro wa Foro.